What's up, friends? Today's video, I'm going to share with you why I don't do free shipping on eBay. But before I tell you why and show you, I'm going to recommend that you look at your data, your information, and see if it's right for you. Every category, every seller, it is going to be dependent on the competition. It's going to be dependent on what you're selling. So first, look at what your competition is doing. I sell women's clothing, shoes, and purses, and most sellers have shipping. If everyone was doing free shipping, I'd almost be forced into it because that's my competition, right? So look at what your competition is doing, try it out for a month, and look at your sales and look at your data and analytics. I will link a video up here where I go really in depth into how to look at your numbers on eBay and how to run a test scenario like this. How to run something, do it for an entire month because you need a good amount of data. Do it for a month and then see what it does for your store. But now I'm going to share with you why I don't do it. Let's go ahead and take a peek at eBay. Let's say that I am looking at a different screen so you guys can see it. Let's say I'm looking for a Patagonia jacket, and this is coming up because I am kind of looking for a Patagonia jacket. So if you have a nano puff Patagonia size medium jacket, send me a DM on Instagram. So let's say I'm a buyer. I am going here, I'm typing in Patagonia jacket. I'm looking at my competition. You can go ahead and look and see. This person's charges shipping. A couple free shipping, right? So most of these, a good percentage of these people are charging shipping. So my competition is charging shipping. The other reason, and this is why be mindful of how you set your prices because it goes more. As people are coming in and filtering, I'm looking for a Patagonia jacket. How do I want it filtered? What things do I want filtered? I can come up here to the top right and I can say the best match, or I can come down to pricing plus shipping and do my lowest first. So some of these are going to come up. The first one is coming up with free shipping simply because it's a bid, but all of these other ones have shipping on it. These are all bids. But for something that's not a bid, they all have shipping on it. So if your prices are competitive and your competition has shipping, you can do it. Buyers aren't necessarily, they're getting smart and they're not necessarily going to just free shipping because they know that as sellers, we're just baking that into the price. And so when they are shopping, they're going to that filter and they are doing the cheapest, including shipping. So if your prices are competitive and your competition is doing shipping and you're still competitively pricing, you don't necessarily have to do free shipping. That's why I don't do it. Like I said, look at your numbers, your data, your categories. I'll link all those videos up here for you. If you like this video, YouTube thinks you'd also like this video. I will link my playlist of eBay tutorial videos here, and then make sure to hit that subscribe.